let's get started. Let's get started. We're going to get started.
Wait, 1 second.
All right, good morning. Good morning, everyone. My name is Carl Randolph. I am the Deputy Commissioner for Logistics, 30-year veteran of the Philadelphia Fire Department, and I'm here on a great day for the Philadelphia Fire Department, for the citizens of Philadelphia and the Port Richmond, Fishtown area down here. It's going to be bringing Engine 6, Reactivate, and putting this unit back out on the street. So I appreciate everyone for coming out. I appreciate all the work that's been collaborated by the Department of Public Property, the Philadelphia Fire Department, and all of our allies and friends within the city of Philadelphia. And I thank you for that. And not to hold this up any longer, I will introduce our historic Mayor 100, Mayor Clean, Greener, Safer, Sherelle Parker. Yes, ma'am.
All right. Yes, secondly, gotta get this right. My commissioner, Carl is here. President, up here with me, please. A hot seat, y'all. Is y'all up here with me? Okay. Let me just start by saying to each of you that I'm pretty giddy on this morning. Because I get the opportunity as mayor of our great city to thank and say good morning to the men and women and individuals of the Philadelphia Fire Department, Engine number 6. Now, while the wheels for this celebration were set into motion by my predecessor, and I want us right now to give former Philadelphia mayor, the 99th mayor of the city of Philadelphia, Jim Kenney, give him a huge round of applause. I am proud to be here now to announce yet another way that we will ensure that our city is safer, cleaner, and greener. The reopening of this station and the return of Engine 6 Fire Company will provide a bigger, stronger safety net for the communities of Port Richmond, Kensington, and Fishtown. And this would not have been possible without our federal, state, and city partner agencies. This is a true example of what intergovernmental collaboration looks like. It's with that in mind that I want to thank FEMA and the Safer Grant which stands Safer Grant for staffing for adequate fire and emergency response, which made it possible for our Philadelphia Fire Department, listen, to bring back all 7 companies that were closed in 2009 during the recession. Has brought back Engine 1, Engine 8, Engine 14, Engine 39, Ladder 1, and Ladder 11, and now the 7th and final company to return, Engine number 6. Just one more time. I want to thank the city agencies who worked to fortify this building for the new apparatus to return to service, and the Philadelphia Fire Department members who, where's my managing director, former fire commissioner, Till, you gotta tell me if your mayor gets this right. The Philadelphia Fire Department members who work 24/7, 365. That's what you say, right? Listen, to not only answer more than 1,000 calls a day, but who also work tirelessly for 16 years now to make sure that all of these companies were finally returned to service to protect and serve our great city. This is a very special moment, and I needed all of these guys here with me on today. And you all, you know, I got a thing when I see you all in your uniform. You make our city proud and feel protected when they see you. Everybody now has to put their ones in the air. Put a one in the air for me now. That means your index finger. Just don't call it that in front of kids. They'll laugh at you. This is what One Philly United City looks like to me. All of us working together. Let me hear you all say, One Philly.
One Philly.
A united city.
A united city.
Commissioner, let's go. Let's do it. Thank you all.
Good morning, everyone. I'm Fire Commissioner Jeffrey Thompson, and I am honored and pleased to be here on this beautiful but very cold winter day as we restore Engine Company 6 to service. I want to start by first thanking Mayor Parker for her vision of a safer, cleaner, greener Philadelphia. Safer, cleaner, greener Philadelphia, one that provides economic opportunity for all. And it's always the fire department's mission to live up to her vision of making the city a safer place for all of us. And restoring Engine 6 is going to go a long way in doing that. I also want to take this opportunity to thank former fire commissioner and our managing director, Adam J. As he and so many others were very instrumental in making this day a reality. And I would be remiss if I did not ask everyone to keep our fellow citizens in California in their thoughts and prayers as they endure the devastation of the wildland fires that are occurring over there right now. Engine 6, I spent a lot of years, I'm in my 35th year with the fire department. And I've spent quite a few days and nights in this building right here. And this firehouse is lovingly referred to as this old house. Call this old house. And it services the citizens, as was stated earlier, Port Richmond and Kensington. But also it's important to know that fire stations are part of a bigger collective. And restoring this engine will make not only this neighborhood safer, but the entire city a safer place for all of us. So it's very important. And again, I want to thank all of the partners who are involved in doing this at the local level, state and federal level. Everyone had a role in making this happen. As the mayor said, in 2009, it was facing some challenging times in the country, and we lost 7 firehouses, and we were able to restore them all. And today's the day that we restored the last one, as the mayor said, Engine 6. So it's a great day. And in addition to that, we were able to restore 2 battalions and 1 division.
Yeah.
Yes. As us firefighters know, as most people know, location and timing is everything when it comes to emergencies. So being able to get to an emergency in a timely fashion is extremely important. And having Engine 6 here is going to allow us to service this neighborhood in a much quicker time and mitigate any disasters that are out there. So I'm very thankful for that. That is going to make our fire department more robust. So again, I want to thank everyone for being here. I want to thank everyone who had a role to play in making this a reality. And it's a great day. And thank you again, Mayor Parker, for your continued support. And I would be remiss if I did not recognize Councilman School.
Yeah.
Yes, so.
Thank you. Thank you. I really appreciate it. I just wanted to come here, obviously, to support. This has been a long time coming, and it's not very often that once something is removed, that is replaced. And, you know, every time somebody says, we're just taking it away temporarily, that never happens. But this time in Philadelphia, and I really want to thank Managing Director Teal, who put the grant together. one time was unsuccessful, second time successful, making sure that we got the money and the resources to make sure this engine is here to protect our communities. You know, a lot of times back in the day, and different administrations had different ideas on how the city was made safe. You know, and we looked at our city of Philadelphia, and maybe we did lose population, but we didn't lose geography. So it's still the same distance to every location that we need to do. So we need to have these engines and ladders at all our fire stations. So it's really important. Today is a very important day. And as the commissioner said, and our great mayor, our leader here today, understanding that we as a city want to be safe, right? Before the foremost. It is really important that safety is our most important factor here in the city of Philadelphia, and doing this today is another way to prove that that is a priority for the city of Philadelphia. So congratulations to Engine 6, to the Port Richmond community, to the fire department, and the city of Philadelphia. Thank you.
I'm Mike Breslin, serving as president of Local 22, and I just want to say, I was around when this company was closed and the battles we fought with the past mayor, and it's the last thing you should do as a politician is take away public safety. That's your #1 priority. And almost 15 years, this neighborhood and these men and women of Ladder 16 went without the #1 most important firefighting tool, that's water. There was a truck in here with no water. That is absolutely crazy. And they fought fires here without water, waiting for another engine company from further away, as Councilman School said, to help them fight the fire. Thank God there wasn't a loss of life and property like you're seeing right now in California. But again, with this trio right here, Mayor Parker, Managing Director Teal, and Commissioner Thompson, there could not be 3 individuals who have keep the people of the city safer. And I know firsthand from knowing them for years. So we're in good hands right now, and we look to move forward. And today, not only are our members safe, but the citizens in this neighborhood are safe.
Thank you very much. Now I'm going to ask the mayor to join me in a ceremonial coupling of the fire hose. This coupling is going to signify the reconnection of Engine 6 with the community that it serves.
Now this is a special day. I don't know what in the world a coupling of a fire hose is, but I'm gonna learn with that.
Practice.
Practice there? Okay.
Hold on a second, guys.
Okay. Just hold it.
One second. Sarah, come grab the chair.
Go this way.
Go, come grab hold of Cat.
Can you on the other side, please? Commissioner, can you on the other side?
Yes. Oh, no, you better not screw it up. You better not laugh.
You ready, Mayor?
Okay, all right.
There you are. There you go.
proceed.
Available.
Okay.
Attention Medic 59, respond to 3204 South 18th Street. Medic 59, respond 3204 South 18. 60 West Behind.
Affirmative. Boston Alleghany has identified buildings on the block as unsafe.
Agent 44. Agent 44, proceed. Divine 3902 Spring Guard. Affirmative, at Warriors Place. Jet 29. Jet 29, proceed. No evidence of smoke fire, no alarm. Unable to gain access. You make it available, recall the ladder. Ladder 3, recall. Ladder 3, child. Jet 29 is remaining on radio. Affirmative. Engine 64.
Engine 64, proceed.
Available.
Affirmative.